Question 32, which claim about the structure of the atom is falsified by this specific experiment, the Rutherford experiment. So we know that the Rutherford experiment initially they believed the atom was made up of the plum pudding model, right? Of these positively charged particles evenly spaced out, right? Tiny particles. And so the prediction was that these alpha particles would just pass straight through, right? Because these are extremely tiny and they're not concentrated enough to deflect these alpha particles. And so when they found that there was some deflection, they realized that there was a concentrated, dense mass, right? A nucleus of positively charged particles that caused charged particles that caused these positively charged alpha particles to deflect or to bounce back directly. Oops. Right? And so let's look at the answers. The nucleus is only made up of positively charged particles. While they did find out that there was this nucleus, they did not know what it was made up of, right? So this is not true. They did not know that there were neutrons. They did not find that out. And next is the electrons in the atom move in orbits of fixed radius. This experiment did not look at anything of the sort, only focused on these positively charged particles, not the electrons. And the positive charge occupies all of the atom's volume. That was falsified, so this should be our answer. As we discussed, the atom is mostly made up of empty space, and that was found out by this experiment. Discovered by this experiment. And B, the electrons in the atom have continuous energy. That was not falsified by this experiment, but it was falsified by the atomic emission spectra experiment, where they found that electrons have quantized charge. So this one's also wrong. And so C is our answer.